Hey guys, welcome to JazzedTutorials, and today I'll be showing you how to create a cloud goddess effect using a awesome, cool looking chick. Or girl, sorry. Alright, so here's this girl. She's black and white. I just found her randomly on the internet, so here we go. Yep, she's transparent. Alright, now double click on your background layer to make it a layer 0. Okay, layer 0. Once you do that, double click on the layer 0 and add a gradient overlay. Select a grayish color for that side, the left side or right side. As long as it's gray and white, you're good to go. Make that radical. And you may need to click reverse just so you can get the gray as the background and the white is the thing, the sphere. Like that. There you go. You want that. Okay. Choose layer 1 and duplicate that. Make layer 1 copy. We're going to work with layer 1 copy for layer 1. Open levels in image adjustments or Control-L and type that number in there. You'll get that effect. Okay? A little darker, a little more awesome. Alright. Now, once you have that made, go up here and you're going to select your, and you're going to first make a new layer above that, and you're going to now go and select your cloud brush, which I'll provide for you in the description below. Yes, I will always provide you with the downloads. Never forget that. Alright, select any old cloud brush you like. It comes with a bunch of them, so it's a set. Yeah, I don't like that one. Alright. Yeah, that one now. Oh crap, I gotta zoom out. Okay, hold on. Zooming out. Okay. There we go, that's cool. Yeah, make sure the color's white if you can't already tell that it has to be white. But you can see that it's white. Alright, yeah. There we go. Now that you have that, you're going to go over here, up at the top, and you're going to select a rectangular marquee tool, and you're going to make a selection on a new layer, by the way, which I'm sorry I didn't show you the new layer that I made, but I made a new layer above that now. So on the new layer, you're going to create this little tiny selection of a line, and in that line, you're going to use a large soft brush and make little marks like this. Just do little like things inside the selection you just made. Yeah, the little line selection. Can't stress that enough, it's a line selection. Like that, alright? You want to make it look just like that. Then you're going to take that, and you're going to do a Control-T and rotate that, and move it to wherever you want to place it. Now we're going to eventually do a Control-J and duplicate this 1,000 more times. So don't worry, you're going to see 1,000 times. Alright, I'm going to put it there. You're going to basically make a diagonal looking selection here. And then once that's done, we'll work with something else. So here we go. Let's get going. This will take you some time, just FYI. Alright. Control-J to duplicate these layers. I duplicated mine about at least 6 or 7 times. So yeah, whatever works for you. But yeah, it's going to take some time. Alright, you see what I'm doing now, so if you can see what I'm doing, that's how yours should be looking so far. Or similar, not exactly, but similar to my effect I'm showing you guys right now. Okay, here we are. Yeah, and you can always resize, or whatever works for you. Yep. As you can see, this is taking a really long time. I probably should have fast forwarded through this, but I want to show you every single step, so that is why. So if you're bored right now, really don't mind at all. Just as long as you know what you're doing. Yeah. Okay. We're almost done, I swear. Okay, last one. Here we go. Okay, so once you have it all placed where you want it, You're going to then select each layer you've just made, or duplicated rather, holding the control button. Control and select each and every layer. Then once you have every layer selected, you're going to do Control E, which will then merge them all in one layer, like such. Okay. Then you're going to now resize that layer to your particular sizing, shrink it a bit, because we're going to make it, you know, we're going to double this layer now. So just shrink it, there, yeah, shrink it a bit, like move it into the middle. All right, I'm going to, yeah, so, okay. Here we go. So I'm going to shrink mine just a tad. You want to use the two middle ones to really compress it, like, meow. Yeah, make it a pancake, basically. And we're going to do it on two different angles, like from one side to the other. You'll see it in a second. I'm just zoomed out really far because I wanted to make it work for me. Okay. Why isn't it working? It's not working in my favor. What the heck? Why, oh why? Don't you like me, Photoshop? Shrinkage, shrinkage, come on, shrinkage. Oh, yay! I think I have it. Sort of. Not really. Yeah, alright, well, you're going to duplicate that layer now. So duplicate layer 1 that you just made. Yeah, there you go. Or the layer, yeah. Why am I zoomed in on this layer palette? Get me out of the layer palette. Right, okay, duplicate that layer. There we go, boom. Okay, it's duplicated now, and I'm still zoomed out, sorry. And yeah, so just do as you can see, if you can even see. So make like an X right across the chick, the girl, like with the two layers, like that. I really should have zoomed in more. I want a second. Okay, so now I'm selecting those two layers and I'm moving them down below everything. There we go. Look at that. That's how it should look once you have those two together. And you may need, yeah, so, okay. Add a mask layer to one of them, either one, because we're going to do it on both anyway. Excuse me. And you're going to now go up here and you're going to select a brush, and a soft round brush, and you're just going to go up here and erase parts of the thing, the two X's you just made. Yeah, you need to erase part of it because it's probably not going to show correctly. Unless you do it really well where it doesn't show, but mine showed, so I have to erase part of it to make it blend in a bit. I'm sorry I didn't show that picture. And then you can change the opacity a bit, just, you know, a tad on each layer. Whatever suits your needs. Needs. Okay, go back up here. Yeah. What the heck? Right. Select your brush layer, your brush again, and you're going to select star brushes, and you're going to brush white stars all over your little lines, just like this, to make it look pretty. Ah, prettiness. I like prettiness, don't you? Okay, so you can feel free to use any size star. I'm using the smaller ones to make it look more awesome, but you know, if you really want to go big and go home, you know, go big or go home. I really don't care. Your picture, not mine. This is mine. I'll provide these as well in the description below. So, below is where you'll find all the downloads for this tutorial. Everything. The two brushes will be in the downloads below. And I put the stars on a new layer, just FYI, in case you didn't catch that. I just do that because it's easier. I mean, you can always put it on the same layer as the lines if you wanted to, but I didn't. I made a new layer above that, just for easiness. And that's basically it. Just adding your stars is basically the tip on the iceberg. There's really not much more you can probably, well, I mean, you can probably do more. I mean, you can probably add other effects if you really wanted to, but I did not. I just stopped right here after the stars, and that was it. I mean, you could probably add text, you know, whatever you want, really. This would make for a great background, actually, on someone's computer. Or maybe even, dun dun dun, MySpace. Haha, who even uses MySpace, really? Who? I don't even use it anymore. But you can use it as background. Alright, well that's it. That's the tutorial. That's how simple it is. And this is what my final outcome looks like. Just like, hey, there you go, zoomed in, looks awesome. She's goddess-like, and that's it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. Because I'm awesome. And you know it.